I'll be showing you how to make a simple yet delicious coleslaw recipe. And this, if your kids don't like vegetable, this is they will definitely enjoy eating this. And it's so simple. So you need shredded cabbage. I tried using these baby carrots to grate them, and guys, it was horrible. So I asked my husband to pick up some big regular sized carrots from the store, but they didn't have any, so he got these instead. And I'm telling you guys, these are a lifesaver. If only they had the cabbage. Maybe they had the cabbage like that too, but I mean, nowadays we want everything easy. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. Nothing too fancy. So I'm just gonna cut the cabbage up now, and then yeah, let's get into it. So guys, this is the end product of my coleslaw. It literally took me less than 10 minutes. It took me, honestly, I'll give it 5 minutes. Okay guys, my beef, it's done. And I'm gonna serve this coleslaw with, I have some leftover rice and peas from the other day, and that's what I'm going to serve this with now.